So today is another vlog. Today is the more interesting vlog than some days, especially right now with everything that's going on. We are shooting a music video. So I'm here with Shimizu. It's been I can't speak. It's been a very long time, Shimizu. He went to Australia, that's why he hasn't been in the vlogs that much. So today we're gonna shoot a music video. It's for a friend, so it's not actually work, but it's giving me a step into the music industry, I guess. I don't know, but we're gonna make that. But first we gotta go there. We're listening to the music right now. Getting into the creative mind before we start. We're almost there. So Shimizu, what have you been doing in this corona pandemic lockdown?
I just stayed.
I heard you got influenza.
Yeah.
This dude caught the influenza. I think it's what's it in English? I think it's the same.
Yeah.
It's a very bad influenza. I think it's the same in English. This guy caught it right in the middle of this pandemic thing. Like, dude got guts. Like, and then you're okay right now.
Yeah.
This good. He recovered from the influenza and he didn't even get the corona. Oh my god. I was actually scared for calling him
But I saw.
today, but it's alright. It's alright. Where are we going? Yo, that is the Shibuya crossing. There's no one in Shibuya. That's crazy. It's my first time coming to Shibuya in this state. Look at this. There's no one here. It looks cleaner. It is cleaner. Everything's clean. There's still a lot of people outside, which I'm a little bit skeptical about it. Well, I'm outside, so I can't really say shit. But yo, Shimizu, going this way. But yo, it's crazy. Crazy how human can change a lot. Like, there's not a lot of people, so there's not a lot of trash, which makes Shibuya cleaner. Shibuya's probably the most dirtiest area in Tokyo. Oh my god, birds. We are here at Yokohama. We're back at Yokohama. I've been here quite a lot. I think I've been here with the vlog once or twice. We're back here. We're searching for we're basically location hunting. I don't know. There's a lot of very nice places in Yokohama, but we are shooting a rap video. And if you guys see Japanese rap videos, they're very down to earth, kind of rustic place, and we're trying to find that. I think that's what the rapper wants. He's a friend, so yeah, we're searching for a location. It's very beautiful. It's just very, look at that. It's just very beautiful. All right, let's go. First location. right now at a second location. We took quite a lot of footage on the first location. We moved here to the boys' basically neighborhood where they grow up. That's where I wanted to kind of give a message out of it. What they wanted to put out the message for the video. Very nice. It's a bunch of people. We came to like this city park, I think. It's like a very big park. Still a bunch of people, which I still don't get, but I guess, I don't know. Japanese are really not taking this seriously, including us, because we're outside. But there's kids outside, there's grandmas, grandpas outside. It's really interesting. Gone dark. Okay, we are here at Shibuya. They wanted to film at in Tokyo as well. So not a lot of stores are open, so not a lot of lights are around. We are also in the back street. I've been super busy, been super concentrating. That's why I haven't been concentrating on this vlog. And I just literally just remembered that I was also filming a vlog. So let's put this camera on. And yeah, we're still filming, still searching for a location, a nice, like a rustic, down to earth kind of location to film. That's it, they're gone. I don't know why, it's very cold today. We had a blast. 9 hours. 9 hours we were out shooting in this very skeptical time in Tokyo. When I say skeptical, I mean it's very skeptical. Like it's okay to go out, but you're not supposed to go out. It's not against the law to go. It's really weird in Japan right now, but I had fun filming my first music video. I'll ask my friends if I can post it on my YouTube, but I doubt that I can, because he's really strict with the social meds. So I'm gonna have to check with him on that. But it was very fun. Shimizu was shooting the whole thing, so I don't know if he got the shot or not. Did you get the shot of me filming?
What?
ちゃんと撮れた？俺が撮影してたところ。
Of course.
Alright, let's trust that. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been lovely. It's been great to get out of the house. I haven't showered in weeks. Have you been showering? シャワー入ってる？
はい。入ってる。
家にいても？
ああ。
Oh my god, shit.
どういうこと？
I haven't been showering. 家にいるじゃん、1週間。
ああ。
全然シャワー入ってないんだけど俺。I mean, I'll wash my face. I'll wash my face, brush my teeth, you know, all the essential stuff. But showering, no, I did not shower. Like, it's really, I don't know. It's just very, I didn't felt the necessity to shower. But it felt good showering today. Felt good going out, fresh air. You good? All right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You got something to say? Hey, なんか言うことある? No?
No.
It's alright. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Next one's probably gonna be very nice.
Day.
Night. Have a good night.
Have a good day.
Oh, have a good day if you guys are somewhere else. Bye.